The final month of 2018 has been a busy one for tax policy, with the IRS releasing a flurry of guidance on last year's tax overhaul. That will continue into 2019, which also will see Congress debate tax issues, states explore ways to boost their revenues, and the EU weigh a digital sales tax. Here are the big issues that Bloomberg Tax is going to be tracking in the new year. Congress will be divided in 2019 after the Democrats flipped control of the House during November's midterms. Middle-class tax relief and infrastructure are two issues that could get enough bipartisan support to move. President Trump has stated that both are priorities, and lawmakers in both chambers have expressed interest. But that doesn't mean it'll be easy, especially in the run-up to the 2020 election. Expect disagreements over how to pay for any new tax cuts. In the states, online sales tax will continue to be a big issue in 2019. States are still trying to find their way after the Supreme Court's Wayfair decision in June, which completely changed the game on what types of business states can require to collect sales tax. Several states, including New York and Florida, are expected to take up legislation to authorize sales tax collection from out-of-state sellers. Others, including North Carolina and Missouri, will consider sales tax collection requirements for online marketplaces that handle third-party transactions. Think of places like Amazon and eBay. A growing number of states are also looking to sports betting and legal marijuana to boost their tax revenues, a trend we expect will continue in 2019. 8 states now offer sports betting, while 10 states have legal recreational marijuana. As more states consider legalizing sports betting and pot, they'll need to aim for a sweet spot on the tax rate. If the rate is too low, the states would be leaving money on the table, and if the rate is too high, it could help steer businesses to the black market. On the international front, tax uncertainty stemming from Brexit is one big story that will continue into 2019. But we're tracking a host of other issues, including the EU's efforts to crack down on big tech companies with a digital sales tax. The European Commission in March proposed a sales tax that would apply to things like eBay purchases and Uber rides. But there's also a push to expand that tax to cover subscriptions to Netflix, Spotify, and other streaming services. Bloomberg Tax will continue to monitor these developments as they unfold. Thanks so much for watching.